The latest data from the National Crime Record Bureau has once again highlighted the immense pressure on the country's criminal justice system in 2024, with the court pendency and delayed justice continuing to remain major concern. According to the report, over 92% of IPC and BNS cases are still pending before courts, reflecting a deep and persistent judicial backlog. Out of total of 17,014 cases, more than 15,600 are still awaiting trial. During the year, courts received 1,606 new cases and disposed of 1,344. However, only 203 cases ended in conviction, while a significantly higher number, 9,002 cases, resulted in acquittals, along with several discharges. The data further reveals that although over 1,100 trials were concluded, the overall disposal rate remains far below the workload, keeping pendency levels critically high at 92.1%. Now, on the investigation front, police handled over 3,200 cases under IPC and BNS provisions, while charge sheets were filed in the proportion of this. Several cases were closed due to lack of evidence, absence of leads, or classification of civil disputes. Under special and local laws, the system performed relatively better with a 94.8% charge sheeting rate, but even here, a number of cases remained under investigation. Overall, the figures present a clear picture. While investigations are progressing, the judicial system continues to struggle with heavy backlogs and delayed trials, raising concern over timely justice delivery.